Kala Bhavan is not under art and culture, but it was constructed by the JSIDC. It was not handover to the art and culture, but last 10 or 15 days I have taken into the minutes of meeting that JSIDC is going to hand over that art and that Kala Bhavan to the art and culture, and I will see that within by 1.5 years that Kala Bhavan is going to start. It will be hand over to the people of the Goa, which I am having a lot of innovative ideas to be brought up over there. First of all, that the Kala Bhavan will always be converted into the institution, and the things are going fine. I think already tender has been floated, tender has been quoted also. We have already issued a work order to the bidder, and within a short span of time the work will be commenced. I know the position and the status of the Kala Bhavan. We will say that we will give the Kala Bhavan as early as possible to the Vascokars and the Murgaonkars and as the Salsetkars.
म्हाका एक खबर आसा की जे आज तबले रिपेअर करतात किंवा पेटी रिपेअर करतात किंवा बाकीचे सगळे काही गोष्टी रिपार त्यांची आर्थिक परिस्थिती इतली खूपशी खालावलेली आसा आणि ह्याच कलाकारां मुखार व्हरपा खातीर आय थिंक हांव 3 म्हयन्या भितर तांच्या खातीर एक स्कीम हाडटलो आणि तांचे प्रॉपर स्क्रुटिनायझेशन जातलें. आमचे डिपार्टमेंट जे आसा ते सगळे आयडेंटिफाय करतले.
रवींद्र भवन मारगांव I have already sanctioned a lot of money for its maintenance repair purpose. If anything is there like that is a concern issue, definitely I am going to visit to the Ravindra Bhavan and Vasco, and after consulting to the chairman who is appointed, and I will see that the measures or the repairs which has to be taken will be taken on the priority basis.